Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. By request, we're going to take a look at the progress on two construction projects in southeast Louisiana. The first is the $125 million flyover ramp project that will connect I-10 to the new Louis Armstrong International Airport terminal. Currently, traffic in and out of the airport utilize the undersized Loyola Drive interchange. The existing interchange will be converted to a diverging diamond on ground level, and the two flyovers for westbound I-10 to the airport and eastbound I-10 from the airport will bypass the interchange completely. The project was delayed by Hurricane Ida last August, but Louisiana Department of Transportation and Development now estimates job completion by early 2023. It's been 6 months since our last update to this project, and we're finally seeing some roadway decking installed on the ramps, although it only extends to the peak of the elevated roadway. Next, we're going to check out the PQ Lane overpass up near Baton Rouge. From the ground on I-10, it appears to be complete with the lanes back in their normal positions. But we'll drive down PQ Lane and see what it looks like from up top. On the right, you can see the dead-end stub, which led to the old overpass now demolished. But the roadway remains 2 lanes, and only one of the new bridges is being used. While the overpass is complete, approaches haven't yet been built for the bridge to our right. In Phase 3 of this project, the overpass will become a diverging diamond, and an interchange with I-10 will be constructed. Phase 3 was to begin upon completion of Phase 2, but there's no evidence of that right now, and DOTD doesn't give any estimated dates of continuing construction or completion. This concludes our report. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.